Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Fish, and we're fishing with, wait, let me check again, I'm not, BlizzardTimePlayz. I found him in the comments, yeah, he helped me out, and he gave me these two, Enchant Relics, which I'm really thankful for, and he said I needed it for, like, the, what was it called again? I forgot. I'm not fully sure about, I think it was the Depths Rod, or I think, yeah, I think it's that. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're just gonna grind. Yeah, very nice. We're just farming all together. Very nice. Today's such a great day. I also helped somebody get Trident Rod, which made me feel pretty good. I just need to discover more of the bestiary. I might get sea mine discovered. Let's just gonna I haven't got nothing yet. No mythical, I mean. We're pretty far in the game now. I've been uploading somewhat consistently. Oh my goodness, I'm not paying attention to what I'm fishing. Oh wait, I forgot to use bait. I need to get, what do you call it? Enchant Relic, so I can get rid of this Noir enchantment on my Trident Rod. Because I don't think so. It's a good one. I want something like maybe Abyssal would be nice. Done now. Oh shoot. I snapped so much cat streaks before doing this video. While grinding too. I need to make back my money. It'll just take a lot of grinding to get my money back. And we also need 750,000 for the Depths Rod. Rod of the Depths. Oh, that's what it is. Oh. What am I doing? Oh, it's going crazy. It's okay. Trident Rod will slowly slash it. And we got it. Ancient Yellow. Oh yeah, on my poll, please tell me other games to play, because I don't want just fish content, I want some other games too, just to give my channel some variety, because the only playlist is fish. I will still upload fish videos, even if I'm playing other games too. Maybe just not as much fish gameplay. Nice. Oh, we're level 63. Very cool. Oh yes. Yes, I needed this. Come on, give me. I'll just wait until it's nighttime and I'll go to what do you call it? Oh my goodness. I'm forgetting everything, bro. But we're gonna enchant this with something different. I hope we don't get wormhole. Maybe I'll get 2 instead of 1. Yeah, hasty might be nice. What is that? Some weird thing. I forgot what this was. This kinda attacking me. a lot. Locking in. Very nice. Oh, it's Atlantean too. That ancient eel is a bit feisty. Oh, I think we got it again. Ancient eel. I keep thinking it's some depths key, but I already unlocked the depths. Oh my goodness, what am I thinking? I got another one, Atlantean. I'm gonna... Wait, where's the... Oh my... I'm blind sometimes when it comes to shake button. Oh, they both got relics. Enchant Relic. I won't be talking for much because I'm grinding, but I just kind of wanted to post a video of what I was doing. Oh, how did he get blue like that? That's cool. Soon to be nighttime. Give me an enchant relic. I was planning to do a live stream, but my request is still pending. Yeah, once I can, maybe I'll do a live stream tomorrow, depending on how long my request will take to be replied to, maybe. Oh yeah, thank you guys. I forgot that we reached 10 subs yesterday. Very thankful for that. Yeah, I woke up and I saw it was at like 17, I think. Very nice. Very thankful to you guys for the amount of subs we got. I get like 1 subscriber a day, which I'm very thankful for. So yeah, knowing that I get at least 1 boosts me to keep making more videos on Fish or any other games I might make in the future. No, any other games I'll play in the future. There. Oh, Enchant Relic. Oh. I hope an ancient depth serpent makes it go dark. He also became very blue, like him. Mr. Blizzard right there. I guess that's what I'll call him. Mr. Blizzard. Oh, treasure map. I don't like how many treasure maps I have. I have way too many. This video, I hope, will be uploaded by the time I'm finished with it. I don't usually upload videos the exact time I'm finished with one. Oh my, nice! We got that one fairly easier, maybe because it's not Atlantean. Oh, Mickey, yay! Wait, what did he get for... Oh, he got the Abyssal enchant. Nice. Bro, why do I keep... I think I'm misclicking on slash. got Noir. I'm kind of jealous of that. But it's okay. I got Enchant Relic myself. I can enchant. Oh, what the? Oh yeah, I saw my friend Kent with Hasty. He was going crazy with those rapid catchers. I think he should keep Abyssal. Oh, Abyssal's good on Depth Rod. Yeah. I think we can sell now. I want to see how much money we get this time. Slowly make it back because we need 750k to save for the Depth Rod. I'm not sure. I'll look up how to. There might be a process, so I might look up how to, you know, get the rod. Oh, 23,000. That's actually good. I don't usually get that much money like that. Should I go? I'll enchant it once I get to Enchant Relic. Yeah. Gotta be scared of that wormhole. It did not do good when I enchanted my King's Rod with wormhole that one time. I was farming in the Vertigo to try to get the mastery. I was trying to get a rubber ducky. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a bit. Oh, nice. Oh, 4 slashes. 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's going crazy with the slashes. Or catching back to back. Legendary mythic. Can that be a back to back to back? So we're pretty far from our goal, but you know, it takes time to like. Oh no, not back to back to back. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to plug in my charger. I really wanna make sure that I can do live streams. Maybe after this video I'll be able to. It took my friend 72 hours to do a live stream, which my friend is Ken, by the way. When I say my friend, it's usually Ken. Okay. Oh, those shake buttons are very close to each other. Another mythical. Feels like mythicals are way easier to get here. Oh, come on. Stay in the same place. For your capture man. I'm making up words at this point. I think the Depth Rod is the one that gives you that weird ghost thing my friend said. What my friend Kent said. bruh. I accidentally misclicked. The rod. These rods look like they catch so easily. Like they insta catch. No matter what. Are they still on the server? Mickey is. And BlizzardTimePlayz. Mr. Blizzard. I guess that's what I'm saying. I can't wait for New Year's. New Year, New Me. Okay, I might go. I think it's a good idea that I enchant. Is it almost daytime? I don't think so. Okay, we go quick. Go quickly, go quickly. Please don't be daytime the time I arrive there. I love this magical snow globe even though it won't stay for long. Oh, expired. Hey, at least I got these. You got the North Star Serpent. What have you done? I don't know what's a gift. Okay, let's go again. Let's go in here. Gonna use the elevator. Okay, go quick, quick, quick. Deal. Ah. Where is it? Yeah, Enchant Relic right here. Whoa, so shiny. I used to have a bunch of these when there was 200x luck, but I was using them all on Trident Rod. So I didn't really get anything good. Come on! This one time, don't give me wormhole. Luck is increased by 65%. Hey! But during a windy day, at least it's not that good. If it's windy, I won't complain. That's okay. What should I do now? Okay, let's go up. I really hope I have something to upload every day. So that's why I put up the big whirlpool. That's why I put up that what was I gonna say again? No wormholes. Oh my goodness, never mind. Look at my let me check. Oh my goodness. I'm forgetting, bro. Let's just sell. Yeah, look at my community. There should be something I put for what other games should I play. So yeah, go check out the community post. And that's all for today's video. If you reach the end of this video, I recommend you like and subscribe. Yeah. Goodbye. Peace.